why some people they talk like say they're not wise. The way people take they talk, now so you take they know the kind of person they be. So just because of say one person forge a certificate, I been a stamp, somebody wake up say na Nigerian thing. But Chimamanda win award, na Nigerian woman, not be Nigerian thing. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, she dey do well globally, not be Nigerian thing. But now the one we do bad thing, you dey tag all Nigerians, the most populous black nation on earth. Now you dey insult, not be saying na one individual. If Nigeria, for example, na Germany, you go talk this word, you will talk so you go talk say na German thing. I mean because Nigeria na black nation with the Africa. My people, wetin una think? More na drop on a comment for the comment section because as they see and swear, this guy I dey go meet am. I go beat am if I catch am for Chicago. I dey go Chicago, dey go meet am. I go beat am. I don't go.